We have made it to Peppa Pig Theme Park. This theme park is so cute, located here in North Richland Hills, Texas. Let's go and have some fun today. As soon as you walk in, directly to the right is an area to buy season passes and if you need medical attention. You come in first and then you stand over here and get your photo taken. And then right across the way, here are some strollers and some scooters that you can rent. And straight ahead is the welcome. Isn't this adorable? And you walk through and here's your first look. Adorable. Restrooms. Granny's Pig Garden.
Walk up to Granny. Okay, take Granny.
And look, here's Granny. Hey, Granny. What's going on, Granny? Me and Granny, we're having a little discussion.
I think we've got it all figured out.
So here inside of Granny's play garden, there's all kind of things for your littles to do to burn off that energy. There's a maze over here that they can go through.
Oh my God. Why are you so strong, Finley?
There are little carts that they can get into.
Everybody, this is Granny Pig. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
And it's so colorful. Oh, they can stay in this area for probably hours. And of course, there's rides as well. Our price today was $24.97. You can come in here and families can sit and kids can ride big bikes. I decided to enjoy some of the fun because they have different size bikes for littles and bigs. Maybe they didn't mean for me, but I certainly enjoyed. And then my sister had to get on and try one out as well. And as you can see from the smile on her face, it was a lot of fun. Before we left this area, we decided to get in one of the big buses and take a little ride. Yes, yes. This park is so adorable. Littles would have a great time, and bigs have fun too, watching them. But there's also rides for us as well. Here at Peppa Pig Land, they do have characters that come out. We had an opportunity to see this little area where all of the characters came out and they would take pictures with kids or adults as well. And you could come up here and have your picture taken and pose with the characters. So if you're looking for characters to come through the park, this is the right place. There is a whole picnic area.
Oh yeah, the mouse.
So when it's sunny out, there's plenty of shade. It's right under a tree. Picnic tables, and you have some with shade and some without.
You got to sit down.
Here at the fun fair, you can fish for ducks. Then you can also do ring toss or throwing your beanbag or a can toss. See? It's not easy to knock them down.
Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost.
No problem.
We went back over to the little children's playground area because my sister had something to prove. As I sat and filmed her, she said, I can get through here. And she made it. But look at the look on her face. She said she had to do an army crawl.
Coco Rabbit has a special playground made from burrows.
Over on the other side of the park, there is actually a cinema. We did not go through and see what was playing there. Maybe next time. Then there is the restaurant. And then look at this little facade over here. I thought this was really cool. Isn't that cute? Next to that is like a water park area. And we will go check that out. But first, it's time to eat. And then look at this cafeteria, look at this diner. Isn't that adorable? This one is set up right here for a birthday party for Diego. But here's a look at the restaurant. And we'll take a look at the menu as soon as we get up there. There is a section of juices and sweets, as well as water, and then some desserts. There's also some wraps and some salads. There are a few more items that I'd like to show you in the case. Here's like the PBJ sandwiches and some juices. And then I'm going to give you a look at the menu that's coming up so that you can check it out and see what they're offering and the prices. And I will zoom in a little closer. Here are the sweet treats and snacks, and here are the beverages. So from the restaurant, I decided to get the brisket sandwich, and you can make it a meal for $5 more, and that comes with a fountain drink and chips of your choice. So take a look. So here is the Dr. Pepper. I decided on these chips, and here is a look at that brisket sandwich. Let's take a look at the cross section. The brisket sandwich is good. Is it the best ever? No, but it's good. And we also had some cheese pizza. It certainly wasn't my favorite, but you know, a solid amusement park pizza. This is a cute little sign as we exit the restaurant and head out, and now we're over in this little sand pit area. This is a fun little area where kids can let out some more energy, and there's some shade and there's some seats here. They can play in sand. There's bones that they can dig up and shovels and pails. And then here is a closer look at that little area. I don't know what this is over here, but it's very peaceful and very zen, quiet, while the kids played in the sand area. It's time to ride Granddad Dog's Pirate Boat Ride. Here are some cute little items for purchase here at Peppa Pig Land. Hi! We're getting ready to ride on the roller coaster here. And they have an adorable queue. So the kids can be entertained even as they're waiting. Here is a look at that water park area. The kids had a blast here. Lots of fun. Now it's time to ride Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure. Yeah. There goes Grandpa. Have fun.
Take a nap on it.
So we are now off on a dinosaur adventure. On a dinosaur adventure. Here's my hefty dinosaur. This is so peaceful and so fun. Little kids would have a great time. And big kids like me would have a great time. Hi, Tiffy! Erupting volcanoes. Whoa. Well, we had a great time at Peppa Pig Theme Park. If you have little kids, and even for the bigger ones, I think this would be a really fun place for you to come to. Here is a little hero accessibility guide, and it shows you on the back here who this guide is for and how you can access it. This was a great day at a park. I think this was a cool addition to the North Richland Hills area. Fun family park. So if you are interested, I'm giving this a 2 thumbs up. Come out, enjoy your day at Peppa Pig Theme Park just like we did. Thanks so much for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.